guys, and welcome back to another video where today we take delivery of our new project, a 1956 Oval Beetle. Right guys, we're here and we're going into the entrance. You can just see like the massive smile on my face. I see it just in there. You probably can't see it much. Just having a little glimpse out to the world. Guys, here it is, our brand new project, a 1956 Volkswagen Beetle. So here it is, our 1956 Oval Beetle. The car is stripped bare and completely rust-free. It was imported from Sudan a few years ago, but we found it in this airplane bunker, abandoned. We are planning to do a restomod/restoration on this car, so stay tuned and watch the full process of us rebuilding this beauty. Anyway, we pulled out our brand new second-hand Beetle out of years of hiding. Also, I just want to take the time to say thank you to all the people that helped us move the Beetle to the trailer. Right, I actually just can't contain my excitement. We're literally loading up the Beetle, about like 10 people pushing it onto the trailer. Obviously, as the Beetle wasn't driving, they had to quickly manoeuvre the Beetle down the hill and run it onto the trailer. And then finally, our Beetle was rolled onto the trailer. Then we straightened the car up and tied it to the trailer, all ready to go. All in a day's work. And just like that, the deal was done. We have just got the Beetle and it's on the back of the car right now. You can see it there. I'm just so happy and excited. Are you?
Yeah, let's get it home. Let's strip it down.
Once we got to the house, we had to move a few cars around so we could load the Beetle into the drive. Eventually, we got the trailer into the correct place and undid the ties so we could get the Beetle off it. We rolled the Beetle out onto the driveway, which would mark a major point in its restoration process. We wanted to say thank you to Waleed, the owner of this car, so we gave him a little gift.
That's very kind of you.
It's not for the Oval.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. And I wish you good luck with your car. Bye.
Thank you guys very much for watching, and we'll see you on episode 2 of the 1956 VW Beetle restoration. Please make